pick it up. You made the call, kept us up, and now I know 4 a.m.'s not the time the sense normally takes hold. But the night the others let me down. All those friends we try to keep around us, but we know we can't let it pull us down.
I know, I know.
Hey! I tell you, secrets don't sit well with me, but one like you is just worth to keep. But now we know what inspires us isn't saying on page 3.
I know, I know.
The running rings around analogy. No skimming stones, all just fall beneath what we crave for. So comes a moment to let go. It's just show me there's no need to keep on. Why did I used to keep on?